Grimblitzer with you, and I'm going to send it down to the side. It's a beautiful day for MFL football, at least in the booth with the AC, personal servants, and Blood Shield. Hi, Grimblitzer here with you, along with my partner Brickhead Mulligan and Mini Brick. What are you guys doing?
I'm doing that little hottie who works the deep fry at the concession. I said how, not who, you idiot. You got the answer right.
And it's 1st and 10.
Hot. Hot 1. Hot 2. Hot.
Good yards on that one. He was just starting to pick up some speed.
Hey, Tim, I know a guy up there.
It's a vicious kill.
Did you know light hits are one of the leading causes of death for mutants over 25?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, right below attending bachelor parties and
hot
owning a
two.
Sam Schlong Galaxy phone.
The lineman swats the ball away with those meaty paws.
God, it looks so snuggly.
Well, I guess if you're a monster.
Hot. Hot 1. Hot 2. Hot.
Oh, big round.
What?
I mean, first down.
What the hell was that?
I honestly don't know, Grim.
Hot. Hot 1. Hot 2.
And these guys are not giving the quarterback many passing lanes to hit a receiver. Nice block by the defense there.
Hot. Hot 1. Hot 2.
Great play by the defense results in an interception. Man, he just laid the wood on that guy.
Yeah, if you're gonna hit a guy that hard, you should at least kill him. Do him a favor. Finish him.
And it's 1st and if he calls an audible. Is it a dirty trick? Like, get your motor running. It's that gets me every time. Like a jack-in-the-box brick. And that's a hell of a cheap shot. Gotta love it. The fans are looking a bit bored. After a quarter with no score, they're cheering on the refs. Now the quarterback calls an audible.
Wow, looks like he actually did fall asleep in the film room this week.
And into the blood moon he goes.
Hey, Grim, what does being in one of those smell like anyway?
Well, it's hard to say. You'd think it'd smell like blood, but I'm pretty sure there's some other bodily fluids they throw in there for fun. So, I don't know, it's kind of a potpourri. Well, look who just got caught in the mutant trap. You know, Brick, you'd think that the strategy would be avoiding those things, but not on that play.
Yes, get him off. All right, shovel, and a bag and a hearse.
The kicker should make this, but you know how it goes in this league. That was a bone crusher, and they take their first time out.
How predictable. Surprise us next time. Call the timeout during halftime.
The quarterback changes the play,
He's so indecisive. Crazy.
and the quarterback calls us he caught it, and nothing was going to stop him from getting into the end zone.
Except maybe self-doubt, but he seems to work through it.
Well, this should be easy, but with kickers, you never know. The kick is good.
As expected.
The second quarter comes to a close. Welcome to Referee Ramp. Seconds remain. Come on, we believe in you.
Speak for yourself.
It's the start of the third quarter, and we are set to go, Bricks.
Oh boy, where we going, Grim? A carnival? Huh? We're gonna go to a striptease show? Where we going?
Hey, why don't you settle down? Just pet your rabbit, Lenny. Just pet your rabbit. Pow! And how about a little dirt sandwich? First and 10.
Typical quarterback. Calling an audible because...
It reminds me that painting a bed.
Whoever said never hit a man when he's down is just plain lazy. Nice extra effort there.
Second down and 10. He picks up a 2. And you can bury that guy because he is dead.
Oh, did you see what number he was? I had to check it off my dead bingo card. I only need one more.
And that's the way to get the sticks moving. He picks up 5 on that play. The new Gorleans Zombies were crushed today and lose this one. They battled hard, but didn't have enough to get it done.
They choked like a...